An insurance license is probably one of the most valuable possessions anyone wanting an unlimited income could own. Yet thousands of agents struggle with mediocre production, and in some cases, they just can't ever get over the hump. If you commit the next 10 minutes to listening to this mini webinar, I'd like to show you how to quit selling insurance and as a result, sell more. If you want your insurance sales production to skyrocket, you simply need to get in front of the right prospects, do so consistently, and develop a unique basis for a relationship with them that your competition simply doesn't offer. And that is the reason most insurance agents struggle. I'd like you to think about this. What's the best way to break the ice with anyone, whether it's at a party, a bar, a neighborhood barbecue, or with a prospective insurance client? You talk about something they're passionate about. Look, you want to bore someone, you want to wind up sitting in the corner by yourself. Talk about insurance. You want to sell insurance? You have to talk about the hopes and dreams, goals and aspirations of your prospect. You have to understand the trigger points and the value of feelings like guilt, shame, and desperation. And I'm not for a moment suggesting that you poise yourself to take advantage of a weak moment in anyone's life. Rather, what I'm telling you is that the moment you see how to tie insurance to something your prospect is passionate about, that's the moment you may never have to worry about your sales goals again. So let me share this one more thing with you. If you could consistently reach a replenishing audience of highly qualified, highly motivated prospects who had a non-negotiable deadline within which they could not utter the words, let me think about it, but rather had to take action on your recommendation, would that be of interest to you? Honestly, those are the key characteristics of creating a massively successful business regardless of your industry. Easily accessible prospects with motivation and a near-term deadline. Hi, my name is Andy Hickman, and along with my business partner, I've spent the last 12 to 15 years understanding the critical relationship between insurance and, in my case, college planning. Those years have culminated in an ability to provide any financial professional, but most particularly insurance agents, with a solid understanding of the unique aspects of college planning and the critical conversations that lead to insurance sales consistently. In just a moment, I'm going to give you a tour of our training, but for now, just know that it includes the conversations that you should have for increasing permanent life insurance sales, annuities, term insurance, and even property and casualty insurance and long-term care to some degree, all carefully and logically integrated into a client's concern about college and college planning for their son or daughter. If you're ready to open your eyes to a brand new world of opportunity, differentiate your insurance business from any of your competition, and accelerate your insurance production, I'd invite you to stop wishing things were better and do something. And I'm going to make it ridiculously easy for you to do something, but I'm not going to give you forever to make up your mind. We've created an 8-hour course specifically designed to help insurance agents accelerate their production through their understanding of college planning and the associated insurance opportunities that exist. We've sold this course for as much as $999. We've actually sold it for more when we do on-site training, and we've had 0 complaints. Quite the opposite, actually. People tend to love it, but I'm willing to let you be the judge on that. Since I think you need a little kick in the trousers like most people, I'm not going to let you hem and haw over $999 for a course that I'm telling you that works, but you just don't know. I don't want you to give it a second thought, so I'm going to do something that my partner Todd Kelly absolutely cringes over. I'm going to do 2 things. Number 1, I'm removing the risk. 100% satisfied, or let me know and I'll reverse the charges on your card. 100% access to our $999 training course for 7 days. If you don't like it, it's not what you wanted, you didn't have time to open it, or you just flipped a coin and said, I think I want my money back, you got it. Just email me within that 7-day period, and I'll reverse the charges. And I'm not going to let you sweat over $999. Again, call me crazy. Todd does. But I'm going to test a theory of mine by giving you a bit of a discount. I'm really sorry about this, but some of you listening to this webinar will be too late because I'm only offering this discount to the first 100 who buy the training. I'd like to do it permanently, but again, Todd doesn't go for it. So, how does half off sound to you? Would that motivate you? Would that get you off the stool? What about $600 off? What if I were to offer you this entire training program with the money back guarantee, not for $999, but for $199? There you have it. That's it. Doesn't get any better. I can promise you that it will never go lower. This offer won't be repeated, and once we hit 100, I promise Todd, we cut it off. It's done. And go ahead and ask, what's the catch? There is none, except for those who paid $999 for the course, of course, are probably going to be calling me. So don't let everyone that you know that you're getting this deal. Seriously, I want to find the right agents out there who are truly looking for something that works, that need a little kick in the seat, but they're truly interested in helping their clients by doing the right thing, and who just need a new platform. They might be struggling just a little bit with what they're doing. I remember those days of struggle. They aren't fun, so let me help. And while you're making up your mind, let me give you a little tour of what you're getting and what it looks like. First, understand that once you click that buy button, you'll immediately gain access to the training platform. You'll get an email with a user ID and password. You get in immediately. It gives you 100% access to all of the $999 training modules. It's just that you're going to be paying a heck of a lot less. As well as what we've included is a bunch of free college planning resources that you can pass along to your clients if you like. Some of them will be just for you, so you can take advantage of them, again, if you like. So let's take a little walkthrough of what the course looks like while you're getting your credit card out. You ready? Let's take a tour. Okay, so here's the basic platform. Once you log in, you're going to see College and Insurance up at the top, a Start Course button, and then below that you'll see the various modules that are included. You'll see that there's 21 lessons, and it'll actually keep track of where you are. The first lesson is the welcome. You can see there's a video up there. You can click on the blue button and it'll get you to the same point, or you can go down to where it says welcome and click on that module. Takes you to the same place. Just a little few-minute webinar or a few-minute video from me welcoming you to the course. Just like anything, click on the button. Hi. Hi. And there you have it. I'll stop there so you don't have to listen to the rest of me. So it's very intuitive for the most part. We've organized it so you've got a Simple Success intro. That's what we call this College and Insurance, Simple Success. Then you've got Selling More PLI, Permanent Life Insurance, right below that. Selling More Term, a couple of modules there. Selling More Annuities, two modules there. We've got 24 conversations that lead to production. That's what I was talking about earlier, those critical conversations. And then we've got a bevy of resources below that. Some of them are simple things that you can click on, and they provide you with a series of links like the scholarship engines. But again, you've got these series, and each series has several training documents in it. This one is Conversation Ticklers, nothing more than a few things that you might want to read there. And then if you go back up to the top, you can see that the two elements of training within that section are both located there, so you don't have to constantly go back and forth between the main page. Once you get into the modules, you can see this one is about a 42-minute, 44-minute training course. Yeah, I started it. College Planning, Simple Steps to Success. That's college and retirement. Again, we really want you to understand the application of college and your insurance license. That's what every one of these is intended to do. So that's what the inside of the module looks like. Again, we've got a number of training courses out there, some much more complete than this. If you wanted to make college planning an entire focus, you could certainly do that. We've got a 40-hour course that we offer that you'll also see. But one of the nice things here is that if I scroll back up to the top in a moment, you can see Store My Courses About Us at the very top. That's actually the website. So once you make that purchase, your login is directly from the website. So if you went to the website right now under My Courses, it'll show that you haven't purchased anything. But once you do, then you'll get this course. And again, this is an opportunity that we're not going to repeat. It's a $999 course. If anything, we might make a few modifications and increase the price. It is worth it. I think you'll see that when you get it. But again, if there's any problem whatsoever, if you don't like it for whatever reason, just let us know. We want people to be happy. We want you to use this course. And we truly believe that when you do, you're going to find an amazing impact on your overall production. So with that, thanks for watching, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Remember, it's just a button right below this video or on the side, depending on what format you're watching this in, and you can get immediately to the Purchase Now button. If you decide, you don't want to do it here, you want to go to the website, explore a little bit, CumulusCollegeQuest.com, and you can go to the store. You can read all about the other modules and so forth. Just remember, use the coupon code CRAZY for the reduction in price from $9.99 down to $1.99. I said earlier, don't share that with anybody. You can share it with whomever you want. Once we reach that 100 threshold, it's done, it's over with. So some people that, they type the crazy in on the coupon code. After we reach that threshold, it will no longer work. So we'll probably take down this webinar and so forth at that point. So act fast. If you have any questions, you can send us an email. You can get a hold of us directly through the website if you need to. We're always happy to talk to you and see what we can do for you. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck in your insurance practice and hopefully with your college application in the insurance business. Talk to you soon.